Hello, everybody. I am Betty, and I'm here to present you nerdy news. Let's start with the world. NVIDIA Robotics Platform. NVIDIA released cloud-to-robot computing platforms, including the Isaac GR00T humanoid models available on Hugging Face, aiming to accelerate simulation and training for physical AI and humanoid development. French Open resists AI line calling. The French Open remains the only major tennis tournament still using human line judges, resisting the widespread adoption of AI-assisted officiating to preserve traditional end jobs. China's POX-CIO hard drive. China introduced the POX-CIO hard drive, the world's fastest, capable of writing 25 billion bytes per second, setting a new standard for data storage. Moving on to Europe. France's AI ambitions. President Emmanuel Macron expressed his ambition to make France a champion in AI, planning to increase AI training programs and allocate additional funds to AI hubs. He also announced the organization of an international AI summit in Paris in 2025 to establish global AI governance principles. Italy's AI development. Italy introduced Minerva AI, the first family of large language models trained from scratch with a primary focus on the Italian language. Developed by Sapienza University of Rome, Minerva 7B aims to produce accurate and contextually sensitive responses aligning with Italy's cultural and linguistic heritage. Germany's robotic advancements. The Automatica 2025 trade fair in Munich spotlighted how AI redefines automation. Innovations included AI solutions that autonomously react to changes, smart 3D vision replacing traditional programming, and developments in autonomous mobile robots powered by AI. EuroChess 2025. At EuroChess 2025, companies like Henshow demonstrated AI-driven retail solutions, including electronic shelf labeled linked with AI cameras and IoT technology for automated stock taking and shopper assistance. German company Metra Labs presented their mobile service robot Tori, capable of guiding shoppers to desired merchandise in stores. Moving on to Romania. Infometrics 2025 World Finals. Between May 22 and 26, Bucharest hosted the Infometrics 2025 World Finals, an international competition showcasing students' innovations in robotics, programming, digital art, and short films. The event featured categories such as line follower robots, sumo robots, and maze-solving robots, highlighting Romania's commitment to nurturing young talent in STEAM fields. International Conference on Assistive Robotics. On May 24, Bucharest hosted the International Conference on Assistive Robotics and Telepresence Robot for Remote Interaction. The conference brought together researchers and industry experts to discuss advancements in assistive robotics and their application in healthcare and remote communication. Autonomous public transport trial in Cluj-Napoca. Cluj-Napoca City Hall initiated a pilot program testing a driverless bus on May 23. This trial represents a significant step towards integrating autonomous vehicles into Romania's public transportation system, aiming to enhance urban mobility and reduce traffic congestion. Stay smart. See you next time.